guys, and welcome to another episode on here on my channel. So this episode I'm going to be unboxing a plant that I purchased from a carnivorous plant seller online. His website is called Pet Fly Trap, and he specializes on just what it is, carnivorous plants. So I was looking through his website and I found really good sized plants, and he has really rare collection of carnivorous plants. He has the pitcher plants, he has the Venus flytraps. He has all kinds of carnivorous plants for a really good price, considering that I've also looked at other websites, similar carnivorous plants for a much higher price. I've also looked through the Instagram accounts that sell pitcher plants and carnivorous plants in general, and they were all kind of pricey for a very seedling baby plant. So this plant seller, the Pet Fly Trap, has really good sizes. They also have a selection on their website that says small size, medium, large, extra large, or extra large, depending on the plant size. Anyways, so I placed an order. I placed 2 orders for 2 different plants, and I got 2 different tracking numbers. So I'm not sure if both plants are in this box or if it's just one. I'm hoping it's just one, because if it's both of them, then they're gonna be really small. But let me go ahead and cut this up. I got my scissors, and I'm mindful not to show my address. Okay. So I placed this order, I believe it was on a Monday, and it got to me on a Friday. So it took like four days to get it to me. So that's pretty fast shipping. So I placed 2 orders. I placed a small size plant, and I also placed a large size plant. I think, or I hope, this is the small size plant. So upon opening, I did get this little memo here that says thank you for your purchase, and then it tells me my invoice. Pretty nice. And then their little business card, which is always pretty nice. I actually like it when they include their business card and everything, because I feel like it's more like an actual, hands-on business. So that's pretty cool. I guess right here it gives me information on how to care for the plant, so that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and see what the plant looks like. Paper shreds, and it comes in this little plastic baggie. Okay, just thank you. So this is going to be the small size. Yep, it is. Here it is. This one is the Nepenthes Lowy Ventricosa Red. Just see the name of that. Maybe it's sideways. Nepenthes ventricosa. Okay, so let's go ahead and undouble this. Now I've had Nepenthes in the past. I've had a regular truncata, I believe, and it was doing really well. And then I didn't care for it much, because right here in Los Angeles it gets really hot. Like right now it's super hot, so I didn't really put it in shade or anything, and the leaves got really scorched, and so the pictures were just completely died. The plant died, and I was actually giving it regular water, but it just died on me. So, and then my niece had one, and hers grew quite massive, so I decided to give this plant another try. Taking out the tape out of here. Trying to be careful not to destroy the pictures with the plastic comes in them. All right, there you go. Alright guys, so here is my little plant. It has little baby pictures. I'm gonna do a close-up with a different lens, but I'll show you guys the close-up here on the little pictures. I'm surprised to see that the pictures on this Lowii are actually already formed at such a very young age. The plant has already established some nice pictures on the leaves, and that makes me super happy. You can actually tell that each little picture, it's actually a little bit different since this plant is a cross between a ventricosa and a Lowii. It makes the plant become a little bit more easy to take care of as opposed to had it been just 100% a Lowii. But I'm super happy with the pictures on this plant. They're super nicely made. So I'm super happy with this little plant. I think it looks pretty nice, pretty cute. I hope that this plant really grows for me. You guys were able to see the pictures. This plant grows huge pictures from my research that I've done. It grows tremendously huge pictures, and this plant needs a lot of humidity. So I'm gonna put this plant in a aquarium, and then I'm gonna fill it up with water, and then I'm gonna put it on top of another little pot, like a nursery pot on top of this, so that it can get all the humidity from the water that I'm gonna put in the bottom, and then have the plant just grow massive, I hope. And then I'm gonna, if it grows huge, I'm gonna put it in a hanging basket, and I'm gonna hang it so it could dangle outside of my my front yard under the trees, and that it could eat a lot of insects, I hope. So this one is my Hoya Lowii red. I'm super excited with this plant, very nice. So I am expecting another package from this seller. I'm not sure if it's gonna get here today or tomorrow, but just keep an eye out on my channel because I will definitely be doing another unboxing. And the other plant, it's gonna be a huge, or not a huge, it's a large size nepenthes plant. It's gonna, I'm assuming it's gonna be maybe 5 times bigger than this, and it's gonna have bigger leaves. Once again, I'm gonna put in the description box the link to the Instagram of the pet fly trap. And anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.